Let's see this problem, a string compression. Given an array of characters cats, compress it using the following algorithm. Begin with an empty string s for each group of consecutive repeating characters in cats. If the group's length is 1, append the character to s. Okay, otherwise append the character followed by the group's length. Okay, at first read. The compressed string s should not be returned separately but instead be stored in the input character array cats. Note that group length that are 10 or longer will be split into multiple characters in chars. After you are done modifying the input array, return the new length of the array. You must write an algorithm that uses only constant extra space. See example. Here cats a string is there, list of strings, double A, double B, triple C. So here A is 2 times, B is 2 times, C is 3 times. So A2, B2, C3. So its length is 6, 2 to 4 to 6 characters. If there is only one A, then there is only one character. So 1. See this one, A is 1 times and B is 12 times. So A, B and 12. So 12 has 2 characters, no, 1 and 2. So there is total length of 4. So that means you have to return the total length of the string. At first we will count how many characters are there. Then we will return its total length. Okay, just see its code. You will understand better. So I will take some variables ij count equal to 0, 0, 0. Okay, I will go inside this complete string. So while I is less than len chars. At first I will take each character char equal to chars I. Okay, its initial count is equal to 0, cnt is its count. So now I will go again this inside this I while loop. I will check here while I is less than length characters and chars I equal to this char. So see here, I just take example A 2 times, B 2 times and C is here 3 times. So I got A here. Then until A is there, I will traverse inside this while loop. Okay. I will increase its value, I value of by 1 and J will also be increased by 1. But J will go outside of this while loop, not inside of this while loop. No? Because there is only one character. So J will be increased once. But I will be increased each time. So before that, I will have to store this string also inside this chars J will be equal to this char. Okay. I will increase here count value also. No, count will be increased. That means I will take inside this count the frequency. Here A is 2 times, so count will be 2. And I have to store inside this a string also like this A. So it will store here now A. Okay. Now there is only A. J value is 0, so first character is A. I have increased now J by ones. Okay, so next character will be stored on second position. Now see If count is 1, then no need to consider its value, because only that character will be enough. If count is 1, then only I have to take that the first character only. So I will check if count is greater than 1. Then what I will do, I will go inside this count for k in strcnt. See, I have taken strcnt, so k will traverse until there is a string. So like this, uh, if k is here 12, then its a string value will be 1 2. So this will traverse 2 times. Okay, so at first I will store here cats j equal to k. K is the string, and I will increase the value of j by once. So this will be the total length here. A is 2 times, so a is there, still a is there, and its count is 2, so 2 will come here. In the same way, for b, j has been increased here to 1. Now for b, 2 times, so it will come 2, and for c it is 3 times, so j has been increased accordingly. Initially j was 0, so 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, but after going 3 it will also be increased 1 time, so it will become 6. So now just return the value of j. So j is the total length. See here what I have done. I have gone inside this string now. So I have taken each character and its count value. I have gone inside this while loop, and until this character is repeating, its count value will be increased those many times, and I have stored its value, each character value, and then its count value also. At first run the code. Is it right or not? Let's see at first. Okay, accepted. Submit also. It's submitted. So see here, cats j, inside this cats j I am taking each character. So a initially, and then it will repeat. Here it will take 2 also, its frequency, then it will again b, then its frequency 2, then c, then its frequency, and this is the j or total length of this string. Okay, so this will return j, that means total length of the final string. Okay, thank you.